Alright, before we go ahead and use the hammerhead attachment to steam the seams of the mattress, we definitely want to get inside of here and steam inside the gusset where they might be hiding all the way down. We're going to go ahead and use this attachment here. Get inside, you can close it off and go very, very slowly. You want to go all the way around. About 1 inch per second. It's going to heat them up, kill them on contact. And the tip temperature is about 250 degrees. Go all the way across. What was that? I like to use more what we call the hammerhead attachment here. What this does is it does a more of a broad application along the seams. As you go across, move very, very slowly. Now again, if you move like this, like a lot of videos on YouTube for steam, this will do absolutely nothing. You have to move very slowly to ensure you're hitting the proper tip temperature at the surface. Anytime you steam a mattress, you're going to see a little bit of moisture here. This could take about 1 to 2 hours to fully dry, so make sure you keep your fan running or bring a portable fan into the room to keep the air circulating, keep the air conditioner on as well. It takes about an hour for it to dry. What we're going to do now is to actually steam on top of the mattress. This will kill any dust mites you have or bed bugs hiding inside the little seams here. Again, we're going to move very, very slowly. At about 1 inch per second, we can go across the mattress. Again, you have to move slow or it's not going to be successful. Once you steam the mattress, you want to make sure again that it's fully dry before you apply the mattress covers or encasements. It usually takes about 2 to 3 hours, so make sure you spot check with your hand, push down. If it feels dry, you should be able to apply the encasements. Again, if it's wet and you put the encasements on, you could have a mold issue, so we always want to make sure that it's dry before you apply the encasements.